In this video, I'll guide you through how to add the Google Tag Manager code to HubSpot content in HubSpot. If you're managing your marketing efforts through HubSpot, integrating Google Tag Manager can offer you greater control over your tags and tracking. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to access your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top navigation bar and find the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the main settings area of your HubSpot account where you can manage various aspects of your site. Now, once you're in the settings, take a look at the left sidebar menu. Here, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Content and then select Pages. This is where you can manage the different pages of your website and decide where you want to apply the Google Tag Manager code. At this point, you need to choose which site you want to apply the code to. If you have multiple sites or pages, make sure you select the one that's most relevant to your goals. This is a crucial step because adding the tag to the wrong site can lead to inaccuracies in your data tracking and analytics. Once you've selected the correct site, it's time to insert the Google Tag Manager code. You should have two pieces of code from your Google Tag Manager account, a header code and a body code. These codes are essential for the Tag Manager to function correctly and capture all the necessary data. Start with the header code. And in the settings for your chosen site, look for an option to add code to the header. This might be labeled something like Site Header HTML or Header Code Injection. When you find this section, paste your Google Tag Manager header code into the designated field. Make sure you don't overwrite any existing code unless you're sure it's safe to do so. Next, locate the section where you can add code to the body of your page. This is typically found under a label such as Body Code Injection or Site Body HTML. Just like you did with the header, paste the Google Tag Manager body code here. This step ensures that your tags will function correctly, especially those that rely on events that occur as the page is loading. Once both codes are in place, it's a good idea to double check everything to ensure accuracy. Make sure you haven't accidentally added extra spaces or characters, as these can cause errors in how the Tag Manager operates. If everything looks good, save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added the Google Tag Manager code to your HubSpot content. This setup will allow you to manage your tags more efficiently and gain deeper insights into your website's performance. Remember, the key to effective tracking is making sure everything is set up correctly from the start. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you next time.